Hi everyone, today I want to show you how to cut interior door. When you change floor from carpet to laminated flooring or hardwood flooring, so you're doing leveling, you put underlayment, you put floor over, and gap between door and floor getting very small. From my practice, gap between floor and bottom of interior door should be ½ inch or 3/4 inch. So here is 5/8. This is the middle of ½ inch and 3/4 inch. So this gap give you very good air circulation, keep your privacy, and nice breathing during the midnight time. If you have gap like this, here is 1/4 inch gap. It's good enough to open and close door. It doesn't touch the floor, but very bad air circulation, and it's very hard to breathe in, and during the night you have to keep door open. In this case, you need to undercut this door, and I'll show you how to do it. So I use laminate floor pieces, this scrap ½ inch thickness. Attach to the door and make mark here, and make mark to another side, and then when you take off door you can make one line. Now I show you example how to do it. So okay, now you see on the bottom of the door I made marks from both sides what we should have to cut. So here is I measure a distance from the blade to the edge of the bottom plate of skill saw. It's 1½ inch, and I measure now from that marks 1½ inch from one side and another side. This is marks for straight edge installation. Okay, you can use straight edge, or you can use any pieces of laminate floor or hardwood floor, engineered hardwood floor, because that piece is very straight. And now I secure it with clamps, straight edge, from both sides. And very important to put masking tape on that line where you're gonna cut it, because tape secure edges from the splitting of the wood and paint. If you don't put this tape, later you have to repaint bottom of your door. So I measure one more time to confirm it's everything fine. Now I just use skill saw to cut it. First cut was not really straight. It's happened, and I cut one more time. Now it's good. Next step, I take off tape. You have to pull on your side. It's avoid splitting. Look how it's nice and straight edge. Take the sandpaper and set this edge because it's really sharp from both sides. Okay, take off clamps and straight edge. vacuum. I flip door to another side to sand the edges again. Now door ready to put it back.
Вылезешь. Да.